Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I'm going to walk you through this brand new 2024 Nautique G25 Paragon. So for 2024, Nautique completely redesigned their wonderful Paragon. So we're going to walk through all the different features that you can get in this boat, and there's a lot to look at. So we'll start with the exterior. So this is a whole new hull design, as you'll see. This particular Paragon we did with the white, and then this is called the reef blue. So we got the reef blue bottom that goes on to the back. I do want to point out here right now here with the badging, this is the G25 badging, and if you can see, it does have the lighting on. So I know at night that would look really, really cool on the water. The lights come on right there in the badging, kind of really cool. On the back corner here, we have the metal flake. This is the tungsten gray metal flake on the back. Then we come to the transom. We still have a wonderful swim deck here. We did get the boarding ladder option. And then underneath here, all this, most of this is all standard back here, but we got the NSS, so Nautique Surf System. We've got the surf pipe, we got the NCRS, and then we did option underwater lights, and we did option it with the steer assist in the back. The steer assist is going to help you around docks and lifts. You can go backwards in a straight line, press a button at the helm, it'll spin in a 360. Super helpful with this. And then I want to mention, so brand new to Nautique this year is the PCM engine. This is called the ZZ8S. The S is the supercharged. This is a direct injection engine, supercharged with 630 horsepower and 665 foot-pounds of torque. So plenty of power behind this G25 Paragon, and that is the standard engine here in the Paragon. So a lot to see up on top of the boat. Let's go up on board. All right, well, welcome aboard the G25 Paragon. We're going to start here in the back. There's actually a lot of features back here I want to show you. We're going to start with the seating. So the seating right here, you can sit back here just like this if you'd like, but in true Paragon fashion, they've got the nice seats that pop up. There's a little handle right in here to unlock it. This goes up, you got your headrest that pops up. So you've got nice lounging seats in the back. And then while you're sitting here on both sides, this little thing will pop up right here, lock into place. You got maybe a place for your phone, a place for your drink. Really nice if you're just chilling and hanging out with everybody. Then I want to show you, if you're out surfing, this is a really cool thing that Nautique did. We just press this button right here. That will unlock. So this opens up, and they developed somewhat of a filing system for your boards. So these little things right in here, you can open these up, and there's room in here for 3 different boards, and they each go in their little spot right there. I think it's very innovative, really cool place, and easy to get to on this particular model as well. So really cool option to have there. Why don't you come to the interior? Got a lot to show you in there as well. All right, welcome aboard the 2024 G25 Paragon. One of the things I want to point out right now is the sea decking. As you can see, it is a beautiful gray, but they took the sea decking and gave it a whole new dimension, whole new pattern throughout the back of the boat, throughout the interior on the flooring, and also underneath the seats. So really cool, looks really nice, especially with this color combination. So the interior, you can see we have the nice white, and then because we had the reef blue on the outside, the reef blue is mixed in on the interior and is also in the thread color. So the thread color is the reef blue as well. So as we get into the boat, this is the G25 Paragon. So you just have seating everywhere. This is a 19-person boat. You can fit tons of your friends into here, family. Underneath both of these seats on a hinge, you got plenty of storage. We got the cover in there right now. On this side over here, you've got storage as well. What I really enjoy too is the lighting that they have in there. If you're coming in closer to night, you got be able to see, and it goes all the way through up underneath as well if you want to put some other boards. Now, the seating configuration can be changed a little bit here. You can lift this backrest up here. You can lift this backrest up here. And then you have your bench seat. Now this bench seat on the Paragon has 3 different levels. This is the first level right here. This can open up. We've got another level that comes about halfway, and then the third level that comes all the way back. So it goes right in line with the other seats. And then when you're done, you can just put it right back. You've got the massive storage down into here. We also have one of our 4 12-inch subwoofers in this boat. So there's 1 in there, and then 1 encased in there. And then we also option this with the wake sub. So there's 2 more 12-inch subwoofers in the back, encased in their own casing. So the stereo system in this boat is just nuts. You can really crank it up if you'd like. You can also bring it right back down because you do have zone control in the boat, so you can have all sorts of music in the cockpit. You can turn down the speakers on the tower or turn those up. So you have lots of different options, which is great to have when you're out on the water. So now at the tower, just like I showed, they have the beautiful encased 2 pair of 8.8-inch JL drivers up here, encased in this beautiful leather wrapped up here, and then you do have down lighting on both sides. And then you do have your light up on top that I can press, and that can go down if you're going under a lift or you're going under a bridge or something like that if you need that clearance. We do have some pockets up here. They have zippers on them. You can store some things right up here. And then on top of the tower, on top of the bimini, you can fit a couple more surfboards up there along with the ones that are back there. This particular model we didn't order with wakeboard racks because you have so much storage in the back and then storage up top. So you can order them with wakeboard racks if you'd like, but this one we did not. So the next thing I want to show you is the tower. So it is a 3-stage tower, just like it was in 2023. But for 2024, one of the things they changed and people had asked about is it's going to have 3 separate levels. So right now it is on the top level, and then I have 3 buttons right here. I can press the middle button, and that middle button is going to bring it down to a halfway level. So it'll come down about halfway and it'll lock in place so you can have it there. And then you hit another button that goes all the way down, and it comes just above this mirror right here, and then it will lock in that position. So you have 3 locking positions, and you can use the boat in those 3 locking positions if you're doing surfing, wakeboarding, or anything else. So let's take a look at the helm and see what's new for 2024. All right, welcome to the helm of this G25 Paragon. So with the rebuild of this particular model, they totally redid the helm area. So let's walk through and see some of the new features here. First of all, you're going to see 2 brand new screens. They're bigger and badder than ever. So going along with it in 2023 is they have the 2 screens. So this screen right here is going to give you a lot of your boating information as far as fuel, oil, your batteries, your engine temp, things like that will be in this screen. Also gives you some depth, and then how much ballast you have in here. So simple things that you can just look at without having to dig into this screen over here. Then on this screen over here, this is where you're going to get all your other information from. The software system is the same, but you do see a nice big picture of the boat. You can turn on your docking lights. These are the lights for interior. I've got a heated seat in this boat. I've got heaters, the lighting up top, and then my underwater lights. So everything that's you would probably want to get to, you can just click on it at the home button right here. And then as we come over to this area right here, this was redesigned as well. So you have some different, it works essentially the same way. So you have your rotary encoder right here that you can twist just like you would previously. I can press that little guy right there. I can twist down. I can click on wake surf. I can activate it. I can fill everything, and the boat will start setting itself up for surfing or whatever water sports activity you'll be doing that day. So a lot of this is the same right into here. One thing that they did add is a wireless phone charger. So this wireless phone charger, you can put your phone in here. You can lock it into place. There are 4 of these throughout the boat, and then 2 more wireless chargers in the glove box as well. So you have 6 total wireless chargers on this boat, because I'm sure everybody on your boat is bringing their phones with them nowadays. So one thing Nautique took away is they don't have the keypad in here anymore. You do have your start stop button right here that will turn your boat on and obviously turn it off, but they gave you a nice little cubby. You can put little items right in there as well. All right, so that was everything here at the new helm area. Let's take a look at a couple of new features that Nautique did. So this is kind of cool. We've always had the trash can right in this area, but it's been a door typically. Now they've opened it up quite a bit, and they put your trash can a little easier to get to, a little easier to put your trash in there, so that opens up. And then with the space up on top, they put a nice little drawer right in here. You got a place for watches, maybe keys, little things right into here. You got the cool Paragon logo right into here. So this will open up and keep a nice little spot for all your little things that you might be carrying with you. And it is lockable. So if you're somewhere and you need to go and have dinner, you can lock that up as well. Then we're coming to the bow. The bow of the G25 Paragon, along with the rest of the boat that changed, there have been some improvements up here as well. You got just massive armrests on both sides. You got cup holders up on both sides. You still have your armrests that'll fold up and down over here. And then you have USB and USB ports on both sides for the phones that if you want to plug in. More cup holders, storage underneath, and then right here at my feet is the bow filler cushions. So obviously you can see I have the nice sea deck here. Just like always, you can flip those over and you're going to have this seating on that side. So if somebody wants to sit here with their feet out, it is another great place to sit. And then the new option this year is you can get the pillows. So there is an option for 2 or 4 pillows with your G25 Paragon. So wow, what a boat. Lots of different options. This is going to be something that people are going to want to see out on the water. We'd love to see you out here at our Rogers location to come take a look at it. You can set up an appointment or just stop on by. It's here. We'd love to walk you through it. As always, please click those like buttons for these videos, and then click to subscribe to our MarineMax page so you can see all the videos we're putting out every day.